Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're looking at our 4-port USBs. These products are available in 24 colours. So what we're going to do is you'll receive the following package. Comes with its usual barcodes, some information about the range, but when you open the product you will receive your instruction leaflet, your product, and a pack of screws. To get access to your product's back part, you can remove the plate as so, giving you access to all the workings. On the back, as you can see, this follows a duplex system, so a bridging will be required. This is explained in the instructions. And then take your colour of choice and clip on top, and you'll have the final product. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.